All right, time to move on to the next. We need to do a lot of welding to the chassis in the front, but it'd be a whole lot easier if fenders, front bumper were off the car. Now we just pop this off. 2 more bolts. There we go. Got it. So this fender should just be snugly on. We got the first side off. Now to get the other side. All right, so both fenders are off. That's going to make access to working on the chassis a little easier, so having these off to the side will help. Now we're in the engine bay. I just wanted to kind of take a look around, and this whole area is bad. Let me show you. We're peppered with just holes from like self-tappers here, there, everywhere. Kind of holding fuel lines or power steering stuff, or wiring. So we're gonna clean that up. We're gonna kind of butter those up. Next is over here. We don't need all this. We'll need this because this is where our master cylinder is, and in fact, we'll probably go up a little and enlarge this a bit. However, for these guys, I'm not gonna need all these holes because there's one here, one there, one here, one there, here. We're gonna cover those up. Next, with our, we've learned our lesson with the previous, with this hole and this hole with the wire harness. These will be filled in, but if you take a look, oh, it's hard to see, but the firewall actually flexed and split, and flexed and split right here as well. So we need to make the firewall one piece again. Over here seems to be better, seems to be fine. We just need to take care of a few things. Alright, got good progress made. The battery died, so I didn't get a lot of the welding recorded, but here we are. Filled in this, or patched up this hole, which was where my clutch pedal kind of was mounted to, and then now I have patched the panel here and there, which were both for the wire harness. Oh, and of course, buttered up all these, same deal. Gonna get the grinder, flatten all that out, throw some paint on it. We had quite an interruption in the video and the work that was taking place on the Mustang. Well, while I was doing this, I was cutting out some sheet metal with my tin snips. I was wearing gloves, safety gear. I guess you could argue that it wasn't the right gloves perhaps, but it was general mechanic gloves. So it's supposed to have some general cut resistance to it, right? But I was cutting it and all of a sudden it slipped and my hand just slid forward and I got a band-aid on it, so it's not graphic. Comment below if you want to actually see the the video because I cut all the way down to the tendon, and you can see the tendon moving. It was that bad. I thought, I was like, man, better get a video of this because they're about to sew this thing up. So they gave me 6 stitches. Doctor did a bang up job doing the stitches. Looks great. But yeah, we're gonna have to maybe cool it a little bit on the on progress to let my thumb heal. I do have full range of motion in my thumb, but yeah, this might slow us down just a tad.